Got something special planned for the weekend? With Rapid White self-dissolving whitening strips, you can instantly brighten your teeth by up to 3 shades in only 1 use, and 5 shades whiter in only 4 days. Start by washing your hands thoroughly and brushing your teeth. Carefully open the sachet at the top until both strips are visible. Now apply the accelerator to all teeth that will come into contact with the strips. Make sure enough liquid is released from the sponge and avoid contact with your lips or gums as much as possible. Do not close your mouth after applying the accelerator. Take the first strip and place the side that sticks to the foil against your upper front teeth, aligning it along the gum line. Do not stretch the strip too much and press it gently onto your teeth with your fingers. Repeat the process with the second strip for your lower teeth, aligning it along the lower gum line. Wait 5 to 7 minutes until the strips dissolve. If any excess product comes into contact with your lips during the process, wipe it away with a moistened cotton bud. Rinse your mouth thoroughly to remove any remaining product. Brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes after each application. Your toothbrush will also help remove any stubborn residues. And just like that, you're ready to go for the weekend.